Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, and this video is something that I get asked about a lot. People ask me about my hair care routine, what shampoo do I use, what oil and what not. And so I thought, why not make a whole YouTube video on that, because there are so many things that I want to share. Not much products I use, but this video mostly contains some things that I don't do. That's why I have this here. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. I am new to this, so I keep on trying to create content, and I don't know why I get nervous when I come to YouTube, but yeah. If you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like my content, and please leave down any of your suggestions in the comment section. I'm reading them. And turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I am posting any video. You know the drill. So first I'll be talking about what I don't do. Of course there are people who try different products and experiment on their hair and everything. I am not one of them. That is that would be the first and the most important reason that I have this good hair, because I don't experiment. I've never colored my hair. I never, not never, but I rarely, so rarely, I straighten my hair. I've never used the machines, the blow dry things and everything. I haven't used that. Yeah, if I go for a haircut and everything, then yes, I like to have some blow dried hair and everything. So yes, firstly I'll share some tips that I try to do with my hair. Then I'll be showing you what products I use. There are not much products. There would be only 3 to 4 products that I use. So firstly, twice I only oil my hair twice. People say that you should oil your hair and everything. I totally understand. Yes, I have been to my skin doctor and my dermatologist, and he said that it's not good for my skin. It created acne here, acne as in pimples and bumps on my forehead. So I stopped using oils and everything, but I have started it again. I am trying slowly, but still अभी तक तो कोई bumps and everything आए नहीं है. But you never know. It scares me a lot, because that was a very hard time for me, because it was all full, filled with bumps, red bumps and whiteheads kind of thing, and I didn't even know what to do with it. So to everybody who is going through dandruff, I was one of those people who had severe dandruff issue. You could literally see dandruff, on my hair, like white things and everything. Literally, you could see it. And I was terrified. I didn't know what to do. So once I read or watched a video somewhere online, and I was like, okay, let's try. So I put curd in my hair, on the scalp, and literally I gave myself a champy twice and thrice a week, and I did this for 4 to 5 times in 1 month. So the dandruff was not totally gone, but literally it made a whole lot of difference. It was बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क दिख रहा था मुझे. So मैंने try किया ये, again I tried this, and now मुझे dandruff issue नहीं है. Dust and everything चिपक जाता, that is a different thing, but now I don't have any dandruff issue, not that is visible or whatever पहले की तरह. So yeah, that is the thing, and you should try. It worked for me. I don't know if it works for you or not. Please consult a doctor or your mother, ask them once if it's not allergic or whatever to your hair. Also, my haircut, I'm not that person who goes every month for a haircut and everything. I don't get my hair trimmed or whatever. Even I cut my hair every 3 months. Yes, it works for me. I know split ends and everything is very common, and you have it और आपको पता नहीं चलता है, मतलब कब हेयर कट करवाना चाहिए कब नहीं. So we all have types of hair. Mine is, you know, very dry, but at the same time very silky, you know. Nothing lasts on my hair. मैंने अगर band, like, you know, hair band लगाया है या कुछ लगाया है, it doesn't stays. It just, unless I don't apply hair spray and everything. But what I don't use is, I don't straighten my hair. मैं साल में 2 या 3 बार आई, you know, कभी कहीं जाना होता है, इवेंट होता है, कुछ भी होता है, I have a very frizzy hair issue. So वो इशू मेरा होता है तो मैं स्ट्रेटनिंग कर देती हूँ कभी कभी. एंड दूसरी चीज़, आई डोंट कलर माई हेयर. मैंने हाईलाइट्स या कुछ भी नहीं करवाया है कभी भी. I only once I did one chunk, so I made sure that my hair is not harmed and everything. Other thing I take care, मैं अगर धूप में निकलती हूँ, I don't drive. Like, मुझे कार एंड 4-wheelers, I don't know how to drive 4-wheelers. Yes. So yeah, I always make sure that whenever I go out, you know, on heat, I have, you know, something on my head. और मैं कुछ भी करके, I don't, मेरे बाल खुले नहीं रखती हूँ मैं. I make sure that I have tied my hair properly when I am on vehicle or I am outside or whatever. Once I am into the air condition या, you know, normal temperature वाले room में, then I open my hair and everything. You know, a pro tip kind of thing. If you apply, this works for me. Again, I don't know if this is gonna work for you or not, but you can try. There is no harm in trying. It's not gonna do any harm to you if you try this once. So whenever you know, use shampoo, take shampoo थोड़ा जितना भी आप लेते हो, apply it on the scalp, you know, वहाँ पे आप घिसो. Even the oil, if you're oiling your hair, you know, apply it on the scalp and घिसो वहाँ पे, you know, then do the chumpy and everything, whatever you need to do. So yes, and another thing, conditioning is very important. Very important, girls, trust me, and even boys. Conditioner use करना बहुत important होता है. हम लोग, I know, मैं पहले खुद, I used to not, you know, use conditioner and everything, but once I started using conditioner, it made a whole different level wala difference. So yeah, now coming to the products that I use, oiling ke liye I have lots and lots of options. I am not that person jo oil ke liye bola meko yahi chahiye. No, it's not like that. But anything organic, that is going in my hair, nothing else. Nothing else is going in my hair. Only organic, you know, oils and everything aap dekh ke buy karo, so it works for me. Yeah. So the holy grail product of my life, because my hair, I love my hair, you know, that is the best thing I have. I think the product that I use, you know, the shampoo is ta-ta-da-da! It's from, of course, L'Oreal. This is the best product for me. Yes, oh my god, this is a game changer. This product is everything. It's from L'Oreal, Extraordinary Clay Purifying and Hydrating Shampoo, Pure Clay. This is everything. It's like, it's about to be, you know, it's getting empty. This would be my 3rd bottle. Yes, I'm gonna get another one. So this is superb. They have great range. Even the red one, you know, 5-in-1, that is also a good shampoo. You can try it seriously. Once इनके छोटे packages भी आते हैं, आप वो भी use कर सकते हो. That is superb. It's mind boggling how the results are. Like superb, seriously. And हेयर वॉश के पहले आप ट्राई करो कि आप अपने हेयर ऑयल करके, यू नो, 10-15 मिनट रखो. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू पुट, यू नो, ऑयल एंड लाइक स्टेन ओवरनाइट एंड एवरीथिंग, तो आप ऑयलिंग करके 15-20 मिनट के बाद यू कैन गो टू, यू नो, योर वॉशरूम एंड जस्ट राइट. सो फॉर कंडीशनर, आई यूज्ड टू यूज इसका ही कंडीशनर, बट देन इट वॉज नॉट हेल्पिंग माई फ्रिजीनेस. यू नो, मेरे हेयर बहुत फ्रिजी हो जाते हैं. सो I found a very good product. It helped me, seriously it helped me. It was like unexpected. This was, my father got it for my brother, so he was like, you know, I saw this and I was like, let's just try. So I used it twice and I was amazed. This is from Jovi's hair solution. It's a herbal conditioner for all hair types. It's herbal. So first of all, I love the way it just, you know, felt. It just, I don't know what kya hai, kaisa hai, but it just worked for me, and I just loved it. So yes, this I'm gonna, you know, link in every product. मैं नाम के साथ रखूँगी. Also always make sure कि आपके hair आपने, you know, tied करके रखे हो. अगर आप टू व्हीलर पे जा रहे हो या ऐसी जगह पे जा रहे हो वहाँ जहाँ बहुत ही हवा है, धूल मिट्टी है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो टाई योर हेयर, जिससे आपके जो एंड्स है, यू नो, योर एंड्स वो अच्छे से रहेंगे. यू नो, स्प्लिट एंड्स एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ कोर्स होने तो है, बट देन थोड़ा प्रिवेंशन रहेगा उस चीज़ में, आप सही रहेगा. सो alright, so this was all. There is no other things that I do to my hair that it, you know, it looks that. And my haircut, yes, my haircut is steps with layers. I go for either steps with layers or feathers. These are the two haircuts that I go with, you know, fringes sometimes, but in summer I avoid fringes because it gives me pimples here. So alright, so this is it for my hair care. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this helps you, and I have you know, written everything in the description box. Please check out the products name and everything. And yeah, if you have any other question or query, please comment down. I'm gonna reply. And thank you so much for watching. Please stick around. I have lots and lots of content coming your way.